everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Passion. Yes, it's a rainy day in Chicago, y'all. It's rainy, it's windy, but it ain't really that cold. We had about a hot 40 degrees. You know, it is what it is. 40 degrees in December is great weather for Chicago. So let's get started with this beauty talk. But before I get started, I need you to like my video. I need you to like my video right now, because you already know it's going to be great. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, who better? Who better? Ain't nobody better than Beauty Passion. Nobody. All right, y'all. So I was scrolling down my timeline for YouTube, and Mondrian TV put up a Q&A today. He just basically answered some of his questions that y'all wanted to know. He answered some of the questions y'all wanted to know. And so I'm watching the video, and he came upon this question that y'all asked. Y'all asked him, how did he know Armon? And I guess that was a good question, because I don't think he's ever answered a question like that. So Mondrian went into how he met Armon, and here it go.
How did me and Armon meet? Back in 2020, you feel me? Back when I had my first YouTube channel, I was actually at Lenox Mall, and I was filming for my YouTube channel. It was a public interview, and we was in the front of the mall, in front of Nike, and we saw Trey walking. So I'm like, damn, that's Trey from Armon and Trey. So I'm like, Trey here, Armon gotta be here. So I'm like, damn, Trey, hop in this video real quick. You feel me? It's only gonna take like 15 seconds. And just quick little video, quick little clip. He said, all right, bet. But let me run in the store real quick, bro, in here real quick. So I'm about to cop an outfit. So I'm like, all right, bet. So we waiting outside the store, and then probably like 10 minutes go by. I ain't really wanna seem like a fiend and whatnot. So I was like, damn, I'm about to just go. So as soon as I was about to walk off, they was walking out. So I'm like, damn, bet. They walking out the store. I'm like, all right, yo, Armon, Trey, hop in this video real quick. They said, oh man, we can't even do it right now. It's too busy, man. People running up to us trying to take pictures. So I'm like, damn, all right, bet, I get it. You right. So I was like, it's cool. I ain't even gonna trip. So on my way home, I DM'd Armon. I'm like, damn, bro, y'all say y'all was gonna hop in my video. Y'all ain't even hop in my video, bro. That's tough. He's like, damn, bro, I ain't even know that was you in the mall. My fault, man. Damn. I mean, next time, you know, whenever you see me out, we could do something, work. So I'm like, all right, bet. So then, probably like a week after, Armon, he posted on his Instagram, yo, I need a editor/cameraman. So I was like, damn, bet. I'm in Atlanta. And this is the time I was in college, and I was working at Amazon. So I was like, man, bet. I'm about to go work with Armon, be his cameraman/editor, and we about to be lit, turn up, you feel me? And I was doing YouTube at the time too, so I was like, I might as well do that. It's so crazy because I started working with Armon in March 2020, right? And in May, we moved to Houston. Stayed out there for a year, moved back to ATL. This is where we reside. Another question I seen in here.
Okay, y'all, when I heard his answer to that question, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I was thrown off. Who, including me, thought Mondrian and Armon was childhood friends? I could not believe when he said 2020. In my mind, maybe he meant 2002. That's what I was thinking. Maybe he meant 28. Maybe he meant 2012. Maybe he meant 2002. But then he said it again, 2020. I was like, he only knew Armon for, ain't even been 3 years, because we ain't even made it 2023 yet. He only knew been knowing Armon for 2 years. That is crazy, y'all. That is crazy. to get that kind of vibe from somebody that you only knew for 2 years is crazy to me. Like, I just know for sure Mondrian been around for a while, but that tells you that it don't matter what time a person come in your life, it's about the change that they bring in your life. He only started off being ARMON'S cameraman, and their friendship just grew from there. And he just been down with ARMON since then, and ARMON, they just grew a friendship, and it seems solid to me. You know, we only know what we can see on screen. From what I see, it looks like it's a solid friendship. You know, the way Mondrian treats ARMON and Legacy, you know, and I just like their friendship. You know, it's just one of those friendships that you just be like, yeah, Mondrian gonna have his back. You know, he ain't gonna never turn his back on him, or, you know, if he ever need anything or need the truth, he know he can go to Mondrian and ask. You be needing them kind of people in your life, somebody that's gonna tell you the truth about things. So I'm just really just happy that, well, first of all, I'm still thrown off that it's only been 2 years, but, you know, like I said, that's good to find a friend and someone that you only know for 2 years. That actually is great. All right, then. Late last night, earlier today, I posted a video, and Reginae did a prank on ARMON, and to be honest, it was so good. She got him good. It took 5 hours to do her hair. It was a great prank. But this is what I'm asking. This is what I need to know. Now, y'all know that him and Essie did a lot of pranks. Do y'all want that energy in him and Nene relationship, or they could leave the pranks in the past? Tell me how y'all feel about pranks being played on each other. For me, I ain't really feeling the pranks, to be honest. I don't really want them to start doing pranks. I like for them two together to prank people. So if they go and prank people together, I like that energy. But pranking each other, and every now and then it's okay. I just don't want to start no prank wars. You know, I just don't want to start no prank wars. I don't know. I guess I'm just over the prank stuff, and it was a good one. And like I said, every now and then it's okay, but no prank wars. No prank wars for me between Reginae and ARMON. How y'all feel about the pranks? Do y'all think they should keep them going? Do y'all think ARMON gonna get Nene back? Or is he just gonna take his L on the forehead? He's just gonna take his L on the forehead and not get her back? Or do you think he gonna get her back? Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Next, ARMON owes us a song. He said he dropping 1 hour past midnight. We all sitting and waiting. Do y'all think 1 hour past midnight gonna drop today? The video, whatever he doing. Maybe he took us back into the studio with him. I like when he take us in the studio and see him recording, and we can see the process of him recording the song. It's already written, so we just basically gonna see him sing it. I hope he bring us in the studio with him. You know, he usually drop his videos between 8 and 10. So we still got a couple more hours to wait and see if he dropped that video for us today. So 1 hour past midnight. I wish it was I Caught You, but I guess I Caught You is going to be next. I don't know, unless he going to surprise us with I Caught You. Maybe he going to surprise us with I Caught You. What you think? Or 1 hour past midnight, is that what it's going to be? Because I don't think nobody heard that song. I don't think he let us hear that song at all. Yeah, I don't think we heard 1 hour past midnight, so it's going to be a totally new song for us to hear. So I guess that's exciting too. So let me know how y'all feel about it in the comments below. 1 hour past midnight or I Caught You. You know, my thing was I wanted I Caught You to be dropped next, but, you know, it is what it is. Okay, and then the last thing, look, this story with Tory Lanez and Megan Thee Stallion is so sad. I wanted to start reacting to it and following it, but I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. It's just too much for me, because when I heard Megan Thee Stallion allegedly say during a trial that she wished Tory just would have killed her because all the torture she had to go through since that incident happened in LA, I ain't even gonna lie, that broke my heart. I was just like, what? And you know, if those are her genuine feelings, I just feel like that's really sad, because a lot of people have been going against Megan, saying she lied, she ain't get shot. You know, everybody had a little narrative about what happened. Nobody really knows what happened, but the reporters that's in the courtroom with them, they're keeping us up to date with everything that's going on, and that's just good enough. I'm not even gonna report on Megan and Tory Lanez, because to me, I feel like it's just a lot of emotions involved. Best friends sleeping with boyfriends. It's just too much. So I'm gonna leave that. But let me know how y'all felt when y'all heard the report and said that she wished that it would what I just said. I don't even want to repeat it. Allegedly. So all right, y'all. So we just gonna sit and wait for Armon to drop the single. If not, Nene might drop another vlog today, because her vlog yesterday again was so lit. So thank you all for watching. If they do drop a video, I'm going to react to a video tonight, or I'm going to post it in the morning. Thank you all for watching. Hecky now, Joe is beauty passion, and I'm out.